For those coming into the UK, this is very good for you. Or you save towards buying your first property. And then at the end of every tax year, the government will give you 25% of what free of what you have saved. So if you recruitment window, we had teachers that got jobs abroad. So glad they got their jobs abroad. We love to explore. Fine, they have their teaching job back in their country, in which they were doing well, but they just want to explore. Especially if you're someone like me that loves to explore and see what is happening in other countries. So, teachers like this, I'm going to be talking about how you can manage your finances when you get abroad or when you get to where you are going. And then I'm going to chip in some things in which you should be coming, especially for those packing their bags. So this video is for you and some other teachers packing their bags already. So let's dive into the video. So guys, my name is Omowumi and I'm a teacher here in the United Kingdom. Yes, so let's dive into the video. Please subscribe, like, and share this video for someone, for that teacher that needs to watch this, especially for those packing their bags or are going to be packing their bags in the next recruitment window. Meanwhile, this is a tip. The next recruitment window is starting soon. So package your CV, revamp your CV, reconstruct your CV. If you need to a mentor or someone to review your CV for you, I'm available. Yes, I can do that for you. But if you want someone to revamp or reconstruct, you can also contact me, which is not for free, but for review, I'm going to do that for free. And that is fine. You can just send me your CV through my email, and then I can review that for you. So let's dive into the video of today. So coming in abroad, it can be really daunting. You can be like, okay, what is because you've not been there before? It's not a place in which you've been before. You're going to a new place and then you need to plan well. Yes, fine, you've gotten the job. Congratulations. You're coming in into another country you've not been for. 2 years ago, I came into the United Kingdom, and then it was as if my life was starting all over again because this is a new place for me. This is a place I've not been before. This is a place I've not lived before. So I'm going to be saying in this video, you need to plan well. That is number one. Plan well. Don't just, I know you'll be excited. Okay, I got a teaching job. I got a job. I'm moving abroad. You might be excited to explore new places, explore new method of teaching, explore several amazing things, but you need to also plan well. Fine. So you're coming now. Congratulations. Like I said, you already got your job. You already got your offer letter. You've read it well because you need to read your contract well. You've read that well. You've booked your flight. Your visa is out. Now you're packing your bags. What are you going to pack in your bags? I'm just going to be talking about that a bit and then we go to the finance part. What are you going to pack? You need to pack essential things. You're going to a new country. You would be starting off fine. You probably spent a lot for countries like United Kingdom, in which probably your school did not pay for your visa or didn't pay for your IHS. You've paid for all that, and you're coming into a new country. I would say, I know you would be like, okay, she's supposed to say I should pack food first, African food, especially for those coming from Africa. No, pack your clothes. Yes, pack your clothing. Pack like 2 pairs of shoes. You're going to be resuming school September and you don't want to come and look tattered on your first day of work. Pack clothes. You don't expect you coming in. I made that mistake and a lot of people made that mistake. Coming in abroad would be like, okay, I'm going there to go and buy clothes. In fact, when I was coming, I think I brought like 4 clothings and I don't know. I regretted that for a while, for some months before I went back to Nigeria recently. And those clothes I left back, I packed some of them, yes, when I went back. So please pack your clothes. I'm not saying, okay, pack all the luggages and then pay extra kgs, pay for extra kg for your clothing. No, but pack essential ones. You're coming in, this is a corporate job. You're not coming in to come and wear jean. It's not allowed if you don't know. You're not coming in to come and wear polo. You're not coming in to come and wear round neck. No, you're coming in as a male. You're coming in to come and wear shirts, pant trousers, a suit. For ladies, you're coming in to come and wear a nice befitting outfit, gown, pant trousers, looking corporate. So pack few of your corporate outfits because find you're a teacher from back from your country and you have your corporate outfit. pack those outfits. Yes, pack them. At least pack a few. So for your first month or first 2 months, you have clothing you can put on. Yes, pack your clothing. You won't regret this. Pack your clothing. Number two, then you can pack, okay, you can pack some African food if you are so in love with African food. And if you're from Africa or you're from India, if you're so in, or if you're from Asia, if you're so in love with your food, pack as well. Pack shoes, like two pairs of shoes is fine, or three. Pack them because you need that to you because you're going to need that. Also, what else do you think you can pack? Pack a charger. You need your power bank. You will need that in your flight. You might believe, oh, okay, people said in the airport. I'll give you an example of mine. In the airport, on the flight, when I get to the airport, when I do this, there are places where I can charge my phone. I'll tell you, when I traveled recently, I could not plug my phone in the airplane because the USB or whatever cord is not the same with what they have on the airplane. I could not charge. I could charge at the airport, but I could not charge on the plane. So you might also have that difficulty whereby you might not even be able to charge at all. I brought mine when I was coming. Fine, I didn't use it after then because fine electricity is 24 hours and all that. But at least it helped me through that time. You don't want your family members to start contacting you, or even the school you're going to. There are some schools whereby they would have prepared how to get you from the airport, how to take you to where they are allocating for you, and then they cannot reach you, or you cannot reach them because your battery is off. And then we are going into the finance part. Now you're already settled in the country. You're settled in, and then you want to. How do you manage your finances? You're already settled in. How do you manage your finances? Number one, shop from affordable places. Yes, shop from affordable places. Don't go and shop in high places. Especially, okay, you're coming in. I will use the United Kingdom as an example because I live here. You want to buy clothing. If you can afford H&M, if you can afford Sport Direct, if you can afford the the classy places, fine, you can. I'm not saying you should not. But when you check your pocket and you can see I cannot afford these places, it's not a must for you to put on next. It's not a must for you to put on H&M at first, especially your first few months coming into that country. You can go to low budget places. Just look good. No one is looking at you here. No one is looking at you, especially in the diaspora. No one cares about what you wear. So you need to do what? Shop in affordable places. Even for your groceries, check online for affordable places. Even for your groceries, even for everything, check for affordable places. Also, while renting, if you're in a country whereby your rent is not paid, while renting, rent an affordable place. Rent an affordable place. Also, you can live in affordable places. For those that got jobs in London, you can live in villages very close to London. It's not a must for you to live in London. We all know. I'm just using this as an example for those I know that are going to Vietnam, Australia, and all that. Don't mind me. Live in affordable places. That is just it. Live in affordable places, and then when you get to that country, ask questions, please. You know, I always say it. Ask questions. Ask questions from people that have been there. Ask questions. That is why you need a mentor. You need a mentor that will guide you through. Even if the person is not in that country, you need a mentor, a teacher that can do what that can guide you through your process. Also, what do you need? You also need to open a savings account. Yes, in the UK, we have what we call HISA account, whereby you can save towards your retirement, or you can save for those coming into the UK. This is very good for you, or you save towards buying your first property. And then at the end of every tax year, the government will give you 25% of what free of what you have saved. So if you save 4,000, the government will give you 1,000 extra. I know this might be applicable in some other countries. It might not be called ISA, but it will be called something else. The cocoa of what I'm saying is save. Save. I know it's not easy coming in. You might not save in your first month. You might not save in the first 6 months because probably coming in, you have a lot to do with that monthly salary. But when you're settling in down, don't just squander the money as it comes in. as you get them at the end of the month. Don't just buy expensive things. Don't eat out a lot. You can also cut your finances by doing more of home cooking. Yes, eating out a lot can consume a lot of your savings. Do more of home cooking. You can hit out once in a while, I do, but do more of home cooking. Okay, I've talked about what you should come with while you're coming. I've talked about managing your finances. You must not buy a car in your first month. It's not a must. Yes, it's not a must. You must not wear those expensive outfits in your first few months. You need to like cut your coat according to your size. Yes. Also, when it comes to bills, that is why you have to rent in an affordable place so that you can keep some money to yourself. In the UK, we have what we call shared apartments. You can rent if you're a single person, you can rent a shared apartment. You can rent a studio, which is more affordable than renting a three-bedroom. So, guys, let us plan well. I will see you in the next video. Please like, subscribe, and share this video for that teacher that is packing his bag, like I said, to benefit from this information. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.